Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Welcome to Fam Creator. So today we are going to make this beautiful and easy flower. So to make it we need a color paper, red color paper, or you can choose any color of your choice. So I have took a 5-inch strip of red color paper and I am folding it, then cut it like this. Then follow this step. You have to fold it again and again, okay? Then draw a circle type petals and cut it. So after cutting it, open it very carefully and it has taken the shape of flower. Now start bending the petals of the flower with the scissors. Now cut from one side half petal and then we will paste it with the second one to make its 3D look. I am using a glue stick. You can use any of the glue which is available at your home. It's not compulsory to use this glue stick. So I have pasted it. Now we will take the same sheet from which we have taken the color paper, okay, flower. Now I am taking the smaller one like this, then cut it, and the same process is again revised. You have to fold it again and again, then draw a circle and cut it. Same process, just we are taking the shorter one. Now our mini flower is ready. Now we will revise the same process. We will cut it and bend it like this. As you can see that I have pasted the petals. Now the two flowers are ready. Paste the smaller one inside the bigger one with the glue. I am using the white glue. You can use any of the glue, but white glue will be better because it sticks accurately. Now as you can see that our flower is ready. Then we will paste the pearls or anything we want. I am taking a white pearl. You can take any stone or pearl to paste it in the center. You have to stick this pearl in the center. Now our very easy flower is ready. You can make it in very less time. So please, if you like this channel, like, subscribe and share my video. Allah Hafiz, take care.